It's more in recent years, say the last 2 or 3 years, that we've started forming a dedicated taiao group to deal with our environmental issues. Normally you've got to balance a range of other needs, and sometimes the poor old environment is a need that gets left out.
A couple of years taken on the task of living kaitiaki, so monitoring our awa, monitoring the health of the ngāhere, examining, not just taking, harvesting and capturing tuna as kai, but also examining their life, their physical being, what their kai has been, and then introducing that to our kaumātua, to our mokopuna, so that they know, utilising technology to teach our mokopuna from an age of 3, so that they get to see, using the smack kit to be able to do that.
My tuahine would love to.